T-Mobile home internet users often experience connection drops due to DHCP lease expirations or incorrect APN settings. DHCP assigns temporary IP addresses and a lease needs renewal, typically every 24 to 48 hours. If renewal fails due to network congestion or glitches, the connection drops. APN or access point name is the gateway to the internet. For T-Mobile, the correct APN is usually fast.tmobile.com. Incorrect APN settings can cause authentication failures and unstable connections. Addressing these two issues is key to resolving connection problems. To fix T-Mobile home internet connection drops, start by power cycling your router. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Next, access your router's interface, typically at 192.1state.12.1, and check the DHCP lease status. Try renewing it manually. Verify your APN settings match T-Mobile's recommended settings, usually fast.tmobile.com, and reset to default if needed. Update your router's firmware via the T-Mobile app. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for assistance with SIM reactivation or hardware replacement. These steps resolve most common connection issues.